So in this video today, we want to explore one of the new YouTube features that was released not quite long, should be like a week and some couple of days. And this feature we want to actually explore in this video today is actually one of the most underrated features on the YouTube platform, but then has the capacity to make you grow on this platform over 10 times. I mean, this is actually good news for YouTubers, especially young YouTubers who are actually looking forward to grow on the space, who are actually looking forward to get monetized, right? So if this is what interests you, I'd like you to stick with me to the end of the video, and don't forget to smash the like button and leave me a comment down below by the end of the video. Let me know what you think about the video. Alright, so if you are visiting me for the first time on this channel, my name is Frank. So you want to go ahead and smash the red subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this one you're about to watch right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video, guys. Okay, that being said, let's dive right into my computer screen. But then if you are wondering why I'm looking so dull, I'm so strong right now, but I just still had to make up time and energy to actually create this video. Alright, so I mean, for that reason, you could just give me a thumbs up if you never wanted to, right? Alright guys, so let's dive right into my computer screen and let's explore this feature together. So the new feature we actually want to explore together in this video is called collaboration, right? So this is a situation where you actually collaborate with other YouTubers just so your analytics spreads out. But then we are not actually collaborating with any YouTuber we find on the space, okay? We actually want to collaborate with somebody that is doing, at least someone that is doing better than we do on the space. All right, so if I actually want to collaborate, so what I should actually take note is, I know the number of subscribers I have, I know the number of views my videos are actually generating. So if I happen to collaborate with another creator, so I must have to look out for a creator that has more audience than I do, that also command more views than I command you on this platform. So the essence is to actually expose your channel to a larger audience, specifically the audience of the creator that you actually want to collaborate with. Okay, so it is very important to take note of creators that are actually doing well than you do in terms of subscribers, the audience, the reach, the video reach. Right, so by this time you should already know the creators in your niche that are ahead of you, because you must have to be looking up to somebody on this space in order to like grow fast, right? So by this time it is believed that you must have been able to discover those creators in your niche that are actually doing better than you do. So you actually want to collaborate with them. Most importantly, before you go ahead to do collaborations, you must have in any way reached out to these creators, seeking for their permission to collaborate with them, because you won't just sit there and then send somebody an unexpected invite. Okay, the invites can easily be turned down. So before you go ahead to do collaborations, you actually want to reach out to these creators, maybe through their email addresses, phone numbers if you do have them, and then let them actually give you the approval, the permission to actually go ahead to collaborate with them. Okay, so let's leave the talking, and then let me just show you practically what I mean. So here am I on my computer screen right now. So right here on my YouTube screen, I just move over to the top right and hit create and then upload video. Meanwhile, I'm actually using my laptop to practicalize this. You can as well use your phone, right? Nothing spoils in as much as you have the feature, right? So this feature was actually rolled into some creators channel to actually make use of, and I feel like some creators are actually yet to have this feature rolled in for them. So if you actually do discover this feature on your own profile, congratulations. Tell yourself congratulations in the comment section, because YouTube actually do love you, right, and actually want you to grow. So actually go ahead and hit on select files, and then I'm actually going to upload my video already filmed and edited. So that is actually uploading right there. Alright, so like you can see right here, this is where you input your title. So this title actually came alongside with the video, because this is exactly how I named that video. Alright, so this feature is actually the YouTube metadata. So if you are following me a lot on this channel, I always advise you rename your videos to carry the title of the video you actually want to use, right? So today we are not actually teaching you how to upload your videos onto YouTube in terms of inputting all this, the title, description, thumbnail, and the rest of that. So I actually made a video on my channel. I think the video before this video you're actually watching right now. So I actually showed you intensely how you can actually upload your videos onto YouTube to get as much engagement as possible. So you actually want to go check out that video. I may link it somewhere on the screen or in the description section, right? But for the sake of this video, let's assume you must have finished up all this. Over to your video elements. You must have placed your cards correctly, your end screen. YouTube has checked your video, no copyrighted item. So what you want to do is come back to details right here. You want to scroll down and click on show more. Like I said, this you can actually find it on your phone as well, okay? No restrictions whatsoever. Whether you're using a laptop or a phone, it works the same, right? Like you can see right here, collaboration, all right? So collaboration, and you can see new attached to it. So this is actually one of YouTube's new features, right? And we actually want to explore it in this video. So what are you seeing here? Grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expand your videos reach to their audiences, right? So I actually want to go ahead and click on invite a collaborator. So don't forget, like I had mentioned earlier, the person you're actually collaborating with, your collaborator must be someone who is ahead of you. The person must be one in the same niche that you are in. Very important, because you actually do not want to show your videos to people who are not interested in watching your videos, right? So the number one criteria you must check out for to get a collaborator is the person must be in your niche, and two, the person must be ahead of you in terms of audiences. Okay, so the person must have a wider range of audience than you do. All right. So like you can see right here, you are in control. Only you can make changes to the video. All right. So in as much as your video is going to be displayed on your collaborator's channel, you are the one who is actually in charge of that video. You are the only person that can actually make changes to that video. So it is 100% your material, your property, right? And then secondly, expanded reach, like I had explained. So YouTube is saying they are going to help your videos reach your collaborators' audiences. Automatically, that's what happens. So once your video is being shown on this guy's channel, obviously their subscribers, their audiences tend to watch the video. And if these guys actually love the value you are passing, so that's like they're actually going to hop onto your channel and then see what you are doing, subscribe to your channel, become your follower as well, and then watch your videos. So that is an expanded reach right there. So you've actually gotten audiences from your collaborators' channel. And then the last one says full ownership. You keep all the revenue, views, and watch time from the video, and this is the most exciting thing about the collaboration. Now see what happens. It definitely means when you are collaborating, it definitely means when you're actually collaborating with another creator, these guys stand to earn nothing. They stand to gain nothing from your channel, all right, from your video. So they are literally offering you their platform just so, you can blow up. So anybody who actually gives you a go ahead to collaborate with them simply means they love you. It means they like you, because these guys literally stands to get nothing from your content, nothing from your video. So YouTube is saying right here that you keep all the revenue, all the money generated on YouTube with that video. You keep all the views and you keep all the watch time from the video. So you combine the views you are getting on your own channel and the views that is generated from the collaborator's channel. All the views come back to you, all the watch time hours come back to you, and all the money specifically, most importantly, comes back to you. So guys, this is actually a game changer for especially young YouTubers who are trying to grow, trying to get monetized, trying to get to the threshold for monetization, 1K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So this is actually a big game changer, and you actually want to take advantage of this, right? So what you actually want to do here is you come to where you have search for a channel, and you want to go ahead and search for a channel you actually want to collaborate with. So I have explained in details the type of channel you should collaborate with. So if I do want to collaborate right now, maybe I want to collaborate with a Ghanaian content creator who is called Ben Did It. So he's actually in the same niche that I am, actually making videos about social media growth and monetization. So I go ahead and type Ben Did It right here. So like you can see right here, Ben Did It. Okay, so Ben Did It has over 70,000 subscribers. So like you can see right here, your collaborator can view video details, allow analytics viewing. So if I actually want Ben Did It to actually view the analytics of the video, see how well the video is performing with me, I can go ahead and toggle this on. So once I do this, I want to go ahead and hit create link, and the moment I create link, Ben Did It is actually going to receive a notification that I actually want to collaborate with him. So guys, right here, like you can see in my way of recapitulation, in case you never got it. So once you collaborate with these guys, YouTube actually is going to show your video on the collaborators channel, and of course all their audiences are actually going to feed on your video. And if the video you're actually putting out there makes sense, trust me, these guys are actually going to hop over to your channel, become your subscriber, become your follower, become your legitimate viewers. Trust me guys, you may not need to collaborate with up to 10 channels. Collaborating with strong 5 channels who are in your niche and above you already should be able to place you on, should be able to give you that green check on the monetization threshold, and off you go with your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, guys. So if you actually learned something from this video, actually got value, go ahead and smash the like button if you never did that. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think about YouTube's new feature called collaboration, right? And smash the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications if you have not done that, so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this, you are going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video, right? See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.